So basically, we're gonna drop a marble here. It'll go down this ramp, and it'll hit this and go into the cup, and that'll trigger the pulley, in which this is going to go up and then trigger the motion sensor here. This is connected to here, which will move this upwards and release the golf ball going down here. And the golf ball will go down here, being stopped by this, and then it will go down here and hit and get detected by another motion sensor. That motion sensor is going to be connected to this motor over here, in which there's going to be water here, which will be released and into the cup. Into the runner.
Ooh. Oh my gosh.
It's already in the cup.
It's okay.
Oh, nice. Awesome.